Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. It's November. We're here in Balboa Beach and I just came down here to stroll around and get a bite to eat. And I'm looking at the crab cooker across the street, but I'm at Taco Bell and I decided I'm just going to have something simple and then check out the nightlife down here in Balboa Beach. I haven't done a night tour of Balboa Beach and I've seen a lot of people like the night tours of Laguna Beach, but I mostly come down here during the day when it's very touristy, but I'm here now and I'm going to switch the camera around and show you where I'm at. So we're at a very trendy we're right in the hub of Balboa Beach at West Balboa and 22nd Street, and just minutes from the Ben Carlson silver statue in this intersection. But I'm going to go inside and order just a quick little bite. Oh boy, what do I want? It's something simple. Hey, how are you? I think I'll get the chicken quesadilla. Please, thank you. That looks good. You don't have any chicken burritos, do you?
The only chicken burrito we have is like
the quesadilla will work. That's
Chipotle,
yeah.
the Chipotle ranch grilled chicken burrito.
No. I think that quesadilla will be good, huh?
Huh?
Yeah, quesadilla is fine. Cool.
Just that?
That's
Do
all.
you want any sauces?
Yeah. Do you got a mild or green salsa? Do you have green salsa?
No.
No. Okay, that's fine. All right.
Yeah, we have mild.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you. My name's Robert.
Alright, it'll be $6.45.
It didn't go through?
I think it went through because you kept pressing it, but let's see. Because it just kind of like if you do
Oh yeah,
way too
there it goes.
quickly.
Perfect. Thank you.
There you go.
Awesome. Alrighty, we're gonna have a little chicken quesadilla. I like it. Notice they have a really cool surfboard right here. 2 surfboards right in the walkway. This one says pipeline. Very nice. And this one has like a really bitchin' girl on a surfboard with big feet, and she's having fun. So we're just minutes from the boardwalk, and we're gonna check out what's going on a Wednesday night. You know, it's the holidays, but should be all right. I really like these surfboards here on the entryway. But this whole Taco Bell is like a really interesting little corner. So there's the Ben Carlson statue in all his glory. And it's a really stunning statue. It's a real nice tribute to the lifeguard who, lost his life trying to save someone. And just in front, he overlooks the center square here. And the Ben Carlson headquarters, which is kind of hard to see at night, but we'll take a quick peek. And there you have it, the Benjamin Carlson Lifeguard Headquarters in Balboa Beach, next to the pier. So we'll walk a little bit on the pier and get a closer look. There's a few people walking, but it's relatively safe and friendly and not really that busy down here. It's 8:35 p.m. on December 7th, 2022. Now, we had stunning weather today. It was so sunny and so nice out today. And the weather's just been incredible. November, December. But this is quite a view at night. So we're gonna walk back past the Ben Carlson statue, and we're gonna walk past the 21 Oceanfront and check out some of the bars and some of the nightlife. It's not that busy. It's only Wednesday, so. But there's a handful of people down here, and it's not that cold. Very nice. And there's the corner here at 21 Oceanfront. Prime steaks is what they serve. And here's Seaside Donuts and the little historic alley. And it's packed. And here we are, we're now standing in front of the beach ball. And Blackie's by the Sea. Now that's a dive bar. We've got some incredible nativity set in the window for the holidays. This is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, nice. At PJ Surfrider, they are decorated for the holidays. Merry Christmas. Very festive. All right, we're gonna go into beach ball. Howdy, how you doing?
How are you?
Good. Nice to meet
everything.
Hey, thanks a lot, man.
That's all right.
Appreciate it. Nice little cozy crowd in here for the holiday. Yeah.
Of course, jeez, Costanza wallet, you got everything in there.
I know. Yeah, I know.
You ever had in your whole life?
That's what everybody says. That's what everybody says. So we're now here. Well, it's not crowded. They got pool tables and lots of TV screens.
You guys would be.
But all right, that concludes our tour. I'm gonna sign off here.